500 million kilometers from Earth, orbiting the radiation-soaked realm of Jupiter's polar skies. NASA engineers watched with bated breath as JunoCam, Juno's only visible light camera, began to fail. Originally designed to last just 8 flybys, the camera exceeded expectations, delivering stunning images through 46 orbits. However, by the 47th orbit, anomalies began to appear. Noisy streaks and corruption marred its incredibly detailed photos. With no way to physically intervene across 370 million miles, the mission team raced to diagnose the problem. The culprit? A damaged voltage regulator, ravaged by Jupiter's fierce radiation belts. As image quality plummeted, the countdown to the next critical flyby of the volcanic moon Io began. With typical NASA ingenuity, the team turned to a daring remedy, annealing. This technique uses controlled heating to encourage damaged components to reposition or heal. It was a last-ditch, Hail Mary effort, one they hoped could reverse the camera's decay. As December 2023 approached, the procedure commenced. JunoCam's internal heater cranked to max, tenderly baking the circuitry hundreds of millions of miles from home. For days, the results were grim, no improvement. But just in time for the Io pass, something incredible happened. Clarity began to return. Specks of brilliance replaced noise. By December 30th, 2023, JunoCam was shooting crisp images once again, revealing frost-capped mountains and volcanic landscapes on Io's poles in exquisite detail. This triumph wasn't just about unforgettable images. It demonstrated a bold repair technique for surviving radiation damage in deep space. For Juno, it meant continued science. It forged a path toward longevity in harsh environments. JunoCam endures still, becoming a testament to human creativity and resilience, proof that even a heat-soaked experiment on a camera 500 million miles away can rewrite a spacecraft's fate. From a camera on the brink of failure to breathtaking images of Jupiter and Io, JunoCam's resurrection is a testament to what's possible when brilliance meets determination, even across 370 million miles. Explore more from JunoCam and the rest of our solar system here. If stories like this ignite your curiosity, don't stop here. Subscribe to @BeyondEarth Buckle Up for more mind-blowing missions, cosmic close calls, and triumphs from the edge of the solar system. Until next time, take care of one another and always keep looking up.